you want to hear a limerick? I don't have one, so I would like to hear one too. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody! We're gonna get baked, make that shamrock, if you know what I mean, and we're gonna get lucky today. So let's get started, folks. Hey everybody! Let's shamrock this bitch! We're going to combine cranberries and stout, and then we're gonna microwave it, which sounds like the nastiest thing in the world, honestly. So I'm waiting for the head to get smaller. You know, just gotta work that head till it gets where you want it to be. Feel like a magician or a bartender, same shit. I can just pour, no one's gonna get mad at me. It's also like bubbling. All right, I guess I'm putting you in the microwave. Is this gonna blow up my microwave? I accidentally put foil in my microwave the other day, which was not good. I drink to celebrate the saint. My mom sometimes makes mashed potatoes if we're feeling cute. I don't really like bars where people go. I will just be home drinking by my lonesome. You're welcome. It's bubbling. That's insane. Look at that. Can you see it? Guinness is the best. Brought to you not by Guinness, because they don't know who I am, but I am but a Loch Ness monster to Guinness, but I'm extra stout. You know, in school, and the teacher would be like, all right, guys, I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes, and whoever can list the most countries in this time wins a prize. And then you're like, I know 4 places. All-purpose flour, we have cake flour, we have almond flour, we have walnut flour, we have chestnut flour, tapioca, semolina. You can make pistachio flour. Basically, you can make any nut into a flour, if you know what I mean. You can do corn flour, like a masa type deal, I guess. I'm really under the pressure here. Dun, da, da, da. How many flours I get? A lot. 4. I'm going to try this time to put in all of the ingredients. So we'll see if I succeed this time in not fucking up. Boop. I'm being watched. I'm being watched. Da, 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 da. Salt. I can eyeball. I got an eyeball. Do, 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 do. A little bit more, a little sweet for my sweet. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we gold. Carrie, here's some gold for you. 5, 6. Oop. I'm a magician. I meant to do that. Okay, it's really weird having all these sets of eyes on me. It's called the microwave dance. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. You work out your full body. I don't know, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I'm the only one that matters. If I laugh, that's the only thing that creamery. Love to see what that's like. Kate. Goop's new competition. It's Kate Moss's creamery. Kate Moss, sponsor of this episode. Bam, 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 bam. I'm gonna put in the flour into here. And that's my decision. And I don't want to hear no ifs, ands, or buts. Wait, let me double check that I put in all the ingredients that I don't want to fuck up again. Yum, that looks so good. Yumsies. Yumsies in my tumsies. Fuck me. Sorry. So sorry. So sorry to the ladies watching. See? I got some anger out and now I have crushed walnuts. Chopped. Whatever, who cares? Time to get crack-a-lackin'. Alright. Liberal amount. Liberal, 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 liberal. I think that's a lot. I don't know. I canola do so much about it. It's really interesting because the buttermilk and the baking soda are currently reacting, which is what's making it look like this. It's kind of like looking more like whoosh, because it's creating more air pockets because like the reaction is making it go like boop, 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 you know? So what is this? Like a Irish soda bread? Like a beer bread? Beer bongs and Bentleys? Soda bread. Soda bread, Irish soda bread with Guinness berries and nuts. With Irish nuts, Guinness berries, Irish soda bread. You're welcome, audience. Should I just sprinkle regular sugar on top? Flaky sea salt, flaky sea salt, flaky sea salt. Flaky sea salt, flaky. Little flaky, little flaky. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. And in she goes. See you later. You're so pretty. Yep. Looks done to me. All right. We're going to keep it cool for 5 minutes. And then we're going to quickly remove each muffin from the tin. Go, go, go. Using a whisk, whip butter until everything is combined. Season to taste. Use on everything. Oh, yeah? Like everything? Are we gonna butter my muffin later, you guys? Huh? It goes in, it goes scoop, scoopy-doodle. Scoop. Come on. Come on out. Yum. Boop. Good little containers to have. I love reusing little jars. And this one's harder to open.
Why is it so hard?
Because it's honey. Ooh. Look at her. Nice. But what was I saying? And then got distracted. Oh, I was gonna say I love using like little jars like this, or even like just anything that comes in a jar and just cleaning it out. And then afterwards I can like put little things inside of that, and I don't have to like buy a specific jar. So it's like if you have like herbs. Uh-oh. I have to take those out. Look at that. Coming out so nice. Wow, did I not fuck up a recipe? I feel like I've been on like a gnarly ass string recently, just messing literally everything up. You may falter, but eventually you'll get it right and you'll learn to read. Who wants to taste my maple butter? Nobody? Everybody? Am I supposed to taste it? Yes. All right, I'll add the salt in just because the recipe says so. And we're gonna, motherfucker. Spatial awareness is not my top skill right now. My top skill is making jokes, being an all-around good time, and making funny faces. All right, so I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna take this little baby. I'm gonna cut it open so we see what it looks like inside. Look at that. Did I mess something up? Did I finally do something, all the right steps, the right time for once, for the first time? Did I win an award? Is this my award? I hope it tastes good. Mmm. Wow. That does taste good. Yeah. I get beautiful, subtle hints of Guinness, and then I get like a surprise of a walnut. And then that like whipped butter just brings everything together. So I love it. I highly suggest this wonderful recipe to make for you and your friends on St. Patrick's Day. Bye. See you next time. I'm going to keep eating this.